In today's rapidly changing hospitality environment, development resources must be directed at creating the maximum possible guest experience impact in the fastest period of time. The speed-to-market factor often drives technology companies like Broadband Hospitality to focus efforts at building on the best of the best solutions that partners have introduced in the market. The DIRECTV Advanced Entertainment Platform is a good case in point. AEP offers an interactive program guide and access to a very significant array of over-the-top applications, including DIRECTV On Demand, which offers a library of over 10,000 television episodes. BBH asked the question, how can we take advantage of the content that the AEP system delivers while adding marketing capabilities as well as integrated guest services? The answer was to apply BBH software development to port key BBH interactive functionality into the AEP design structure. This allowed BBH to craft a main menu that incorporated AEP content and BBH information and services modules into an easy-to-use guest interface. The result is BBH's Bamboo ITV overlay for the Advanced Entertainment Platform. Bamboo ITV expands the AEP system to offer marketing capabilities and important guest services such as folio review with checkout, amenity and maintenance requests, on-site dining options, and daily activities and events. The combined platform delivers key features such as display of the guest name on the main menu and credential clear-out on checkout, both of which require integration with the property's PMS.